Subaru is entering a completely different era for family SUVs, and the familiar gasoline-powered Ascent is slowly stepping aside for the all-new electric Subaru Getaway. The biggest question now is simple. Which three-row Subaru will actually save families more money long-term? MPG reality. The outgoing gasoline-powered Ascent still delivers respectable efficiency for a large three-row SUV, averaging around 22 miles per gallon combined. Real-world driving typically lands closer to 18 miles per gallon in traffic and around 24 miles per gallon during steady highway road trips. Annual fuel expenses for the Getaway-powered platform remain significant, especially for families regularly hauling passengers, luggage, and camping equipment. Driving roughly 15,000 miles yearly could easily cost owners over $2,000 annually, depending on fuel prices in their region. The electric Subaru Getaway completely changes the ownership equation with dramatically lower operating costs. The standard battery offers approximately 240 miles of range, while the larger 95.8 kilowatt-hour battery stretches comfortably beyond 300 miles on a single full charge. Ownership costs. Charging at home overnight massively reduces yearly energy expenses compared with the outgoing turbocharged Boxer engine. Subaru estimates the electric Getaway could cost owners between $600 and $800 annually in electricity, creating major long-term savings for everyday commuting and family travel. Maintenance is another area where the electric platform gains a huge advantage over the traditional Ascent. Owners no longer deal with oil changes, spark plugs, exhaust repairs, or transmission servicing, while regenerative braking significantly extends brake pad lifespan during regular driving conditions. Despite higher insurance premiums and steeper early depreciation, the electric Getaway still projects slightly lower 5-year ownership costs overall. Estimated 5-year ownership lands around $53,000 for the EV compared with roughly $56,000 for the gasoline-powered Ascent architecture. Modern evolution in Subaru also modernized the entire experience inside and out with more rugged styling and significantly upgraded cabin technology. The redesigned three-row platform includes aggressive LED lighting, functional roof rails, protective body cladding, and up to 8.7 inches of ground clearance. Inside, buyers can choose between 7-passenger captain's chairs or an 8-passenger bench setup while enjoying noticeably improved third-row comfort. Cargo space reaches 45.6 cubic feet with the rear seats folded, making the SUV genuinely practical for growing families and long-distance adventures. Technology receives the biggest leap forward with a massive 14-inch touchscreen, 12.3-inch digital driver display, wireless smartphone connectivity, and the newest Subaru EyeSight safety suite. Tesla-compatible NACS charging also gives the electric Getaway direct access to thousands of fast-charging supercharger stations nationwide. Subaru expects these updated three-row SUVs to begin arriving in late 2026, and competition will be fierce. Subscribe now for more future SUV reviews, ownership comparisons, and detailed breakdowns covering the most important upcoming vehicles before they officially launch.